So my name is François Veller. I am a managing director for France for Altair Engineering. Altair is a simulation software company. So it started with the engineering company consulting, and then it created its own software. Today it's one of the global leaders in simulation engineering, and we develop a portfolio of simulation software serving all industry, from automotive, where we're born from, to aerospace, general machinery, railway. So we are now a global company of 2,000 people, established worldwide with 85 offices around the world. So our portfolio of services is really to serve the engineering community with simulation software and HPC to really solve the more complex engineering problems. Composite market is really growing, both in volume, but more importantly in scope. So previous technical limitation we had, like a production rate and speed, are now overwhelmed, and so with the new technology you can address much more specification. So from aerospace you can now serve other industry like automotive and leisure sports, and we support that. But with the complexity of composite you also have an engineering challenge, because you have so many possibilities. You actually have to design the material itself. And that's why simulation engineering is very powerful, because it helps you choose the right balance between your material and your performance. The portfolio of software of Altair belongs to a very innovative way of licensing. So all the product, all the license, all the software is available with just one license. So a customer of us will address all technologies, so you don't have an entry barrier. The second challenge very often is the knowledge. So software is just a tool, and then you need to know how to use it. And this is why we always kept our consulting services part. So it's very important that we develop with the customer the knowledge and the methods so it can apply on its actual process and tool. I think it's about the 10th year we are JEC World this year. We started with a very teeny booth, actually co-hosting on another exhibitor. And year after year, we kept growing our presence there. So we now have a pretty large booth because we have a lot of people, this community, coming to visit us. And I think JEC is doing a very good job in making this the rendezvous, the absolute worldwide rendezvous of all the composite community in the world. So in addition to the booth, we understood that people want to understand simulation, which is more something you need to explain than just to show with piece. So together with JEC, for the third year, now we organize a conference with customers showing how they apply simulation technology to face the challenge. So we have our own conference in JEC. And this year, this is very new for us, we also are a partner of the Startup Booster. So I think it's also a very interesting opportunity to meet all these innovative companies trying to move forward the limits of technology of composite. Let's have the composite industry still growing, and especially finding the new technology solutions for a more broad application.